大家好，我是 Peggy. In this series, I select and explain some of the most difficult grammar that are categorized in HSK Level 3. I hope these videos will help you nail the exam. Today we'll look at the difference between the two knots in Chinese, 不 and 没. These two adverbs are used to form negations in Chinese. 不 and 没 are not interchangeable, so you have to know how to use them correctly. 不 plus verb is used to deny a general description of fact. This form of negation relates to one's power to make decisions, whether these decisions are habit, desire, or an aspect of one's identity. It'll be easier to understand once we look at some examples. 我不是学生. I am not a student as a statement of fact. 我不喝酒. I do not drink in general. 我不吃肉. I don't eat meat as a personal choice. 我不喜欢运动. I do not like to exercise, which is a statement of preferences. And finally, 我不想吃中国菜. I don't desire to eat Chinese food. May plus verb is used to state an action failed to or did not take place. The easiest example is 我喝酒，可是昨天没喝。我喝酒 I do drink in general. 可是昨天没喝 but I didn't drink yesterday. The other example is 我们昨天吃美国菜，没吃中国菜。我们昨天吃美国菜 We had American food yesterday. 没吃中国菜 Did not eat Chinese food. If we compare 不 and 没, you will see the difference between the two. 他去运动了吗? Did he go exercising? If you say 他不去, it means he won't go as a choice. On the contrary, 他没去 means the action 去 didn't take place. The other example is 他昨天看电影了吗? Did he watch a movie yesterday? Saying 他不看电影 means he doesn't watch movies. 看电影 is simply not his thing. Here, the negation implies a personal tendency, whereas if one uses may in the same sentence, it means the action didn't happen. 他没看电影 He didn't watch a movie.